Daily math review number 2. A baker used 80% of a bag of flour when making rolls. The baker used 20 pounds of flour for the rolls. How many pounds of flour were in the bag? All right, so we're going to find, we have a percent here, so he used 80% of the bag. So I'm going to put that 80%. Remember, 80% is 80 out of 100 when he was making rolls. So he made 20 pounds of flour, he used 20 pounds of flour. How many pounds of flour were in the bag? So if he used 20 pounds of flour, we don't know how many pounds total were in the bag. So we don't know that total. So we're going to put that X for that of. We don't know of how many. He used 20. So that's the part that he used. So part over whole or is over of. He used 20. That's what he used. And we don't know the whole. So now we have it set up and we are going to do our cross multiplication. 80 times X is going to be 80X or 80 times X. 100 times 20, well, I know that 1 times 2 is 2, and then I have 3 zeros, so that's another zero trick. So also if you do 100 times 20 in a calculator, you will get the same answer if you want to double check. Now we need to divide both sides. It is in this case on the right side, which is absolutely fine. X is saying 80, I love you, but I gotta get rid of you. So we're going to divide both sides by 80. So 80 divided by 80 is just going to be that 1, so we're left with X on that side. And then we have 2,000 divided by 80. Well, if you do 2,000, let's see, 2,000 divided by 80, you will get 25. So there were 25 pounds in the bag. So there were 25 pounds in the bag. Oop, I wanted to highlight. And that is going to be it for our DMR number 2. Great job.